This video will show how to live stream to Unreal Engine. So we have our new feature coming out called Puppet Mode. Now you can test move-in tracing feature in data streaming with this Puppet Mode. To do Unreal Engine live streaming, you need to have license. Go to live streaming, set the platforms to live link, and there's some other setups like this, and that's it. First thing to do is download plugins from our website. Go to Downloads. There are a bunch of plugins there, and you need to check the plugin version matches with your app version. Download it. And let's just leave it there. And go to Unreal Engine and create a new project. Library. So here we'll use 5.6 version. Make a new project. We will call the project MOVIN UE56 and create. And save the map. Save and close it, and go to the folder, unzip the installed plugin, then go to your Unreal Engine project folder. Here you need to find plugins folder. If there's not, then create a folder called plugins. Then copy the folder inside and paste it to your Unreal Engine's plugins folder. Then let's go back to our project. This is the one that we made before. And open the map. First, let's check the plugin installed well. Edit, Plugins, and search for LiveLink. Then you will see MOVIN LiveLink plugin installed pretty well. To live stream motion data, you will need to set up a character in Unreal Engine to receive the data from MOVIN. There are two ways to do this. The first one is retarget directly in MOVIN Studio and stream the motion to your own character in Unreal Engine. The second way is to do this is receive the motion data to the default MOVIN character in Unreal Engine, and then retarget it to your own character inside Unreal Engine. So let's start with the first one, which is streaming motion directly to your custom character by setting up retargeting in MOVIN Studio. First, go to retargeting and import your own character. If you are having trouble importing your character, then please check the instructions from our documentation. Please find it from our website help.movin3d.com. Then set the live streaming setup. Check the platform's data type, then click Start Streaming. And go back to Unreal Engine project and check this LiveLink tab. If there's not, then go to Window, search for LiveLink. Then you will see how to activate it. So add source, and then check LiveLink source. Here, you need to check the port number, exactly same with the port number from MOVIN Studio. You will see it's activated. And go to Content folder, create a new folder called Characters. Double click to open it and import the exact same character that you used in MOVIN Studio. So this is the one that you already imported in MOVIN Studio. Right-click on the skeletal mesh and create animation blueprint. You can search or you can go to create and find animation blueprint. Double click to open it. Then create a node called LiveLink Pose. Select activated LiveLink subject name and link it to the result. Click the compile button and you will see the preview works. If your previews are not working, then go to Preview Setting tab and search for LiveLink Preview Controller, and also you should select the subject names. Then you will see your preview is working. Save and close this window. Then double click the Player Start button to zoom in. Then drag and drop the skeletal mesh. Go to Details panel on the right side and select the animation blueprint that we've created. Then click Play buttons. Then you will see the data from MOVIN Studio is directly live streamed to your character in Unreal Engine. To live stream motion data, you will need to set up a character in Unreal Engine to receive the data from MOVIN. So this is the second way of doing it, which is receive the live motion data on the default MOVIN character first, and then retarget it to your own character using Unreal Engine retargeting. So first, set up the streaming from MOVIN Studio and click Start Streaming. Then go back to Unreal Engine and check the LiveLink tab. If there's not, go to Windows, select, search for LiveLink, and go to Add Source and activate MOVIN LiveLink. Here you should check the port number exactly same with the MOVIN Studio. And it's activated. And go to Content folder, select Make a new folder called MOVIN Man, which is the source character. Double click it and import the MOVIN Man UE FEX. This is inside the folder that you've downloaded from our website. Right click on the skeletal mesh. Create animation blueprint. Double click, right click, and create a LiveLink pose node here. Select the subject name, link it to the result, the compile. You will see the preview is working. If it's not, then go to Preview Setting and search for LiveLink Preview Controller and also select the subject name, then you will see it's working. Save and let's close this window. Double click the player start to zoom in and then drag and drop the skeletal mesh of your source character, which is MOVIN Man. And click the MOVIN Man objects and go to Details panel on the right side, Animation, search for animation blueprint that we created. And then tap the play button. Then you will see live motion data from MOVIN Studio is directly streaming to your MOVIN Man character in Unreal Engine. Then let's create a folder for your own character, which is your target character. Double click it and import your character to this folder. You will need to create IK rig for both MOVIN Man and your target character. So first, right-click on the skeletal mesh and create IK rig. Double-click it. Here, check the position of each joint and create a matching retargeted chain. Make sure the chain names exactly match those for your target characters. So you should remember. Here, if you are professionals and you're good to Unreal Engine, then you could do better than us. But think you're not, then please follow ours. Right click and look for add chains, and it will automatically matches pretty well, but it would be great to double check its joints and adjust it manually. Save and close the window. Then let's do it again onto your target character. So go to your custom character folder and right click on the skeletal mesh, create IK rig. Double click the IK rig window and you need to check the position of its joints here again and create a matching retargeted chain. Make sure the chain names exactly match those for the source character. save, and close it. Then go to Content folder and create a folder called IK Retargeter. Double click to open it. Right click and search for IK Retargeter. Let's rename it because it's pretty hard to find it later. Double click it to open it and go to Details panel on the right and select your source IK rig. Then you need to select your target character's IK rig. And yeah, it looks like the character is retargeted pretty well. And if yours not, then you should check your character has rest pose as a T pose. So let's say if your custom character, your character has like A pose or like other rest pose, then please check this video that I've linked here on the top and please fix it. And go to Operations tag on the left side and search for pelvis motion. And then also search for retarget FK chains. And go to preview setting on the right side and select the controller as live link preview controller. And select the subject name, then you will see both characters move pretty well. Save and close this window. Now the final step that you should do is create animation blueprint to your custom character. So right click on the skeletal mesh from your character and create, go for animation blueprint, double click to open it, and right click on the animation graph and search for retarget pose from mesh. And link it to the result and select IK retargeted on the right side and click to compile and save and close the window. Then drag your skeletal mesh to the scene, and this part is important. Drag your custom character's object under the MOVIN man character and go to Details panel, Animation, Animation class, search for animation blueprint that we created, then click play buttons. Finally, you will see your source character MOVIN man and your target characters retargeted pretty well.